In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce to Claude. We'll be doing this through the connectors section inside Claude, and the process is quite straightforward once you know where everything is. As we go, just follow along on your screen and take your time with each click so you don't miss anything. First, open Claude and go to a new chat page. Starting from the main chat interface makes it easier to access your account settings and get to the connector options quickly. Once you're inside Claude, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and click on your account area. This is where Claude keeps your profile options, workspace control, and settings. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, just look for the account or profile menu in that lower corner. After that, click on Settings. This will open the area where you can manage how Claude works, including integrations and connector-related options. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. This section is specifically designed for linking Claude with external tools and data sources. If you plan to use Claude with platforms like Salesforce, this is the place where those connections begin. Next, look to the top right and click Add. This tells Claude you want to create a new connector setup. From there, you'll be given options for choosing the service you want to connect. Now click on Browse Connectors. This opens the connector library, where you can search for available integrations. It's useful if you already know the name of the connector you need, because you can go directly to it instead of scrolling through the full list. In the search field, type Windsor.ai. Make sure the spelling is correct so the right connector appears in the results. This search step helps narrow things down quickly, especially if you have many connector options available. When you see Windsor.ai in the results, click on it. This opens the connector setup page where Claude will show the available connection option and any permissions or setup details required. Finally, click the Connect button or any similar button that appears for starting the connection, and then follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary depending on your account setup, but typically you'll be guided through authentication and approval steps. Read each prompt carefully and make sure you approve only the access required to complete the integration. Once that's done, your connector setup should be in place, and you'll be one step closer to using Salesforce data with Claude. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh if needed.